Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to make aesthetic planner in Notion. So let's get started. The fastest way to build a polished digital planner in Notion is to use one of their free professional templates. These templates have all the complex planning details already built in, saving you a ton of time and making your setup visually appealing from the start. To begin, open Notion. Look at the top left of your workspace. You'll see a drop-down menu. Give that a click. From this menu, you want to select Browse Templates. This opens Notion's entire template gallery, which is packed with pre-made tools for planning, journaling, and more. Once the gallery loads, use the search bar at the top and type in Digital Planner. Scroll through the results. Notion offers templates that range from minimalist and clean to colorful and creative. Take a moment to preview any template that catches your eye. Once you find one you love and that fits your style, hit the Add button. This instantly copies the entire template into your own Notion workspace, ready for use. Now for the fun part, making it truly yours. Start by filling in basic credentials like your name or a favorite motivational quote at the top. You can then adjust the layout, change colors, swap icons, or add your own custom touches. Remember, the more personal your planner feels, the more likely you are to use it every day. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.